How are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 4 science olympiad, and what we are going to discuss? Today we are going to discuss the previous year questions of SOF NSO level 1 exam. Okay, so in our today's session we have all means in our previous session we have already discussed some questions, and in our today's session we are going to discuss some more questions. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question: unscramble the given letters and select the option that gives the name of the clothing item worn in winters. Okay, so four options are there. We have to unscramble the letters. So in the first option we will get, that is, cardigan. In second option it is raincoat. In third option it is socks. Okay, so can you tell the answer now? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay, so here the correct answer is option A, cardigan, that we wear during winters. Yes. So coming to the next question, starting from first letter, strike out every alternate letter to get the name of a material. Select the item that is not made by using this material. Options are A, crayons, B, television, C, pressure cooker, D, fridge. So what we need to do? We need to strike out all the alternate letters starting from the first letter. So what we got? Yes, we got metal, right? So do you know there are various metals existing in the earth's surface. So and they are also having various uses. So which of the following is not the use of the metal? So in crayon, we do not use metals. Television, metals are used. In pressure cooker, bridge also metals are used. So what will be the correct answer? It is option A, that is crayon, right? Coming to the next question, in dehydration, food is preserved by, options are A, freezing, B, drying, C, adding salt, D, steaming. So dehydration means removal of water. Okay, so anything that starts with D, E, usually it means removal. And hydration, that is hydro, is the word that is related with water. Okay, so dehydration, that is removal of water. So we can call it as drying. Got it? Coming to the next question, the given figure shows two gases X and Y that are used by the plants and animals during daytime. Which of these can be X and Y? For X and Y, options are A, carbon dioxide, oxygen, B, oxygen, oxygen, C, oxygen, carbon dioxide, D, carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide. So, excuse me. The plants and animals use these gases in daytime. Okay, so plant they use the gases. Here plant is giving out X and animal is consuming X. So it could be oxygen, because plant they prepare their own food. We know that plants prepare their own food in a process that is photosynthesis. Okay, and during photosynthesis oxygen is released to the atmosphere, and we animals we take or we inhale that oxygen. Then animals, they use the oxygen and they release carbon dioxide during the daytime. And you know, this carbon dioxide, plant consume this carbon dioxide because for the process of this photosynthesis they need carbon dioxide. Okay, so X is oxygen and Y is carbon dioxide. So where it is present? It is present in option C. Got it, everyone? Coming to the next question, Madhur cannot run for a long time because he becomes short of breath and his muscles start to ache. It indicates that his dash is not very efficient. Options are A. Reproductive system, B. Excretory system, C. Digestive system, D. Respiratory system. So Madhur cannot run for a long time because he becomes a short of breath. Okay. So short of breath means there is some problem in the breathing process. So this breathing system, that breathing process, that is included in respiratory system. Okay. So here correct answer is option D, that is respiratory system. And reproductive system, it is the system which means it is involved for the birth of a baby. Then option B, excretory system, it is involved for the removal of waste, mainly the nitrogenous waste from our body. Digestive system, that we take the food, that food is digested completely, absorbed into the blood. All these come under the digestive system. And in this respiratory system, it includes the breathing process and different means how food is used for making energy. These things are included in the respiratory system. Okay. The next one, we prefer to wear dark colored clothes in winter because options are A. These clothes reflect the heat and keep the body cool. B. These clothes absorb the heat and keep the body warm. C. These clothes keep the air entrapped and do not allow heat to escape, thus keeping the body warm. D. These clothes reflect the heat and keep the body warm. So, do you know the answer? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay. So, dark colored cloths. So, dark colored cloth, what happens? They absorb the heat. Okay. So, if they absorb the heat, what will they do? They keep the body warm. So, here the correct answer is option B. These clothes absorb the heat and keep the body warm. Coming to the next question, some means of transport are hidden in the given word grid. Unscramble the given letters and select the one which cannot be found in the grid. So 4 options are there. Okay, so we have to unscramble this. So here the first one, that is bicycle. Second one, aeroplane. Okay. Third one, train. Fourth one, truck. Now we will find out which of the following is not present in the word grid. So here train is there, and here bicycle is there, then here rock is there. So which one is not present? Yes, it is aeroplane. So correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question, identify the processes P to S in the given figure of water cycle and select the correct option. The process which causes clothes to dry, then process which sometimes causes foods. So options are A, P, R, B, Q, S, C, S, Q, D, R and Q. Okay. So here what is happening here in the process of this P, what is happening? This was from the ocean, the water is converted into water vapor. Okay, so water is converted into water vapor. So this process is our evaporation. Okay, and the process which causes clothes to dry, that is evaporation. Okay, and process which sometimes causes food clothes, that is precipitation. So this is evaporation, we got it, and the precipitation, that we can call it as the raining. Okay, so here what happens, from the cloud, the rain that falls on the ground, that is R. Here it is precipitation. Got it? And so this is the process, evaporation P and precipitation R. So correct answer is option F. So between evaporation and precipitation also there is a process, that is condensation. Water vapor they condense to form the cloud. Got it? Yes. Coming to the next question, refer to the given flow chart. Which of the following is grouped incorrectly? Nutrients required by our body. Group L, bread, chapati, pulses. Group M, butter, margarine oil. Margarine oil. Group N, fish, egg, meat. So options are A, pulses, B, margarine, C, meat, D, bread. So which of the following is grouped incorrectly? Okay. So in group L, these bread, chapatis, they contain carbohydrate. Okay. But the pulses, they do not contain carbohydrate. They contain proteins. So this one is the different one. And in group M, butter, margarine and oil, they contain, all of them contain fat. And in group N, fish, egg and meat, all of them contain protein. So correct answer is pulses because they carry the protein. Okay, coming to the next question. Excuse me. Bhavya listed 4 birds, namely crow, sparrow, myna and eagle, together in the same group. But her friends argued that one bird is an odd one in the group and gave different reasons for this. Which of these friends argued correctly? Options are A. Myra. Sparrow is a herbivore unlike others. B. Namrata. Eagle is a carnivore unlike others. C. Sapna. Crow is a carnivore unlike others. D. Priya. Myna is a herbivore unlike others. Okay. So you know what is herbivore and carnivore. Herbivore are the organisms which feed on the plant and plant materials. Okay. And carnivores are the organisms which feed on the herbivores. Okay. And that means they feed on the other animals. And there is another term like omnivore. Omnivore means they both feed on plant and animals. So as per the given options, that is about the eagle. Eagle is the only carnivore. Okay, and all others are omnivore. So correct answer is option B, Namrata. Eagle is carnivore unlike others. Got it? Coming to the next question, which of these machines works on the same principle as does the seesaw? And the 4 options are there. Okay. And options are A, P and Q, B, Q and R, C, P and R, D, R and S. So we have to find out in which of the following machine same principle is followed as in case of seesaw. So seesaw, it is basically a class 1 lever. Okay. So class 1 lever, you know, the fulcrum it lies between the load and the effort. Yes. So coming to the first one, P, which is a nutcracker. This nutcracker, it is a second class lever. Okay. Coming to Q, that is the plus. Here, what happens? The plier, it is the first class lever. R, that is the seizure. It is also a first class lever. And this door knob, that is the S. Here, it is the example of wheel and axle. Okay. So correct answer is, the correct answer is Q and R. Okay. And where it is present? It is present in option B. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the given process X? Options are A. During daytime, land cools faster than the sea. B. Hot air above the land rises up during the daytime. C. Hot air from sea rushes towards the land. D. None of these. So here, what happens during daytime? The air above the land, it gets heated faster. Okay, so when the air above the land, it gets heated faster, it rises up. And to fill up that place, what happens? Water from the sea, it rushes towards the land. Okay, so here the correct answer is option B. Hot air above the land rises up during the daytime. So coming to the next question, Vibhuti took 4 different types of container and poured water in them as shown in the picture. Arrange the containers in order of the amount of water contained in them and select the correct option. Options are A. W equal to Y greater than X equal to Z. B. W equal to Y less than X equal to Z. C. W greater than Y equal to X greater than Z. D. W equal to X less than Y equal to Z. So, this W, it is containing 10 ml of water. X, that is 8 ml. Y, 10 ml. Z, 8 ml. Okay. So, what will be the correct answer? Here, W and Y are equal, that is 10 ml. X and Z are equal, that is 8 ml. And W and Y, it is greater than X and Z. And it is present in option A. So option A is the correct answer. Coming to the next question. Study the given food chains and select the correct option. Options are A. Plant, lion, goat, tiger. B. Wheat, bird, elephant, lion. C. Grass, grasshopper, frog, snake. D. Corn, chicken, snake, elephant. Okay. So we have to find the correct sequence. We know that grass is eaten by grasshopper, then grasshopper by frog, and frog by snake, right? So correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, Dharini took 2 healthy green plants of equal size, put them in 2 boxes L and M made up of different materials and placed them under the sun as shown in the figure. She watered both the plants daily, but the plant in setup M died, while the plant in setup L grew well. Which of the following best describes this? Options are A. Plant in the setup M could not get air. B. Box in the setup M is made up of clear glass. C. Plant in the setup M could not get sunlight. D. Box in the setup L is made up of wood. Okay. So here what happens? The material which is covering both L and M, that is different. Okay, and they water the plant both uh, daily. So there is no shortage of water. So what could be the reason? The reason could be that this M which died, it was not able to get the sunlight because the material that is made of means the box of M, that is made up of a material which is not allowing sunlight to pass through it. So the plant is not getting it. Okay. So correct answer is option C. Plant in the setup M could not get sunlight. Right? Okay. So this was for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.